Hello, this is Adam, the car seat tech with infant, toddler, youth, and baby gear expert with the Pump Station and Nursery. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about the Diono RXT, and we're going to show you how to adjust the shoulder straps for the child. Because as they get bigger, you are going to have to gradually move it up higher. So let's take a look. So the Diono car seat has 5 different height positions the shoulder strap can possibly come out of. And where the shoulder strap needs to be will depend on the child's size and whether they're rear or front facing. For a rear facing child, they want the straps to be below the child's shoulder. So if the child's shoulder is here, the harness should be below. Once the child gets taller and their shoulder reaches the next level, then you're gonna move it to that level. When their shoulder reaches a 3rd level, you move it up to the 3rd level. So don't move it until their shoulder actually reaches it. Now the concept is similar for front facing, but for front facing, they want the straps to be above the shoulder. So if the strap is at this level here, the child's shoulder should be somewhere below. Once they get tall enough or their shoulder reaches the slot, you're gonna move the straps up to the next position. So rear facing, the strap should be at or below the shoulder level, and front facing, the strap should be at or above shoulder level. If you need to adjust the shoulder straps and the car seat is front facing, the first thing you actually have to do is uninstall the car seat. If you're doing a seatbelt installation, you're gonna unbuckle, pull the seatbelt out from the back. You wanna loosen the straps, so find the gray tab on the front of the car seat, lift the tab up, pull away from the shoulder. If you pull on one side, both sides will adjust together. Now that the car seat is undone and the straps are loose, we're gonna turn the car seat around. So right on the back of the chair here, you're gonna see the shoulder straps, and they are connected to this metal clip. You're gonna disconnect it. Now that the shoulder straps are disconnected, we can pull them out from the front. And then you're gonna feed it to the level you want. Make sure the strap is not twisted or tangled. Everything should be flat and free. All right, same thing with the other side. Nothing should be twisted or tangled. Okay. Turn the car seat around again. So here are the 2 shoulder straps coming out to the new slot we want. We're gonna find the strap that has the metal clip. This one also should not be twisted or tangled. You're gonna put the loops on one at a time, so they're gonna slide right through the clip here. And then the other one is gonna go right on top of it. Make sure both of the shoulder straps are completely inside. You don't want anything dangling out, because then it can possibly just come completely undone while you're driving. So make sure both straps go all the way inside the clip, and that'll reduce the chance of it just popping out on its own. So now that we have the right height position for our front facing child, you can go ahead and reinstall the car seat. If your kids are rear facing and you need to move the shoulder straps, luckily you do not need to uninstall the car seat. The first thing you want to do is you want to loosen the straps as much as possible. So lift up the gray tab, pull on the shoulders, and get it as loose as you can. Now you can just come underneath the car seat here. Both of the shoulder straps are attached to this metal clip right here. You're going to disconnect them both. You're going to come back to the front of the car seat. You're going to pull the straps all the way out. And now you can feed them to the slot you want. Make sure the strap is not twisted or tangled when you're feeding it through. Do the same thing for both sides. Make sure they're both going through the same slot. All right. We're gonna grab our strap that has the metal clip, and then you're gonna attach the shoulder straps one at a time. Once you get the first one on, the second one is gonna go on top of it. All right. And this is exactly how they both should be looking. Now you can tighten the straps and your harnesses are all set. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to support the channel. We'll see you next time.